This was an extraordinary session of the Executive Council, and it was called by the Assembly of Heads of State. Last time we were here at the February summit, and it became very critical because the issue of the future of the African Union was at stake in the context of the forthcoming elections of the African Union Commission leadership in February next year. When we were here for the summit, the Heads of State summit, there were legal and technical issues that required urgent clarification so that the process of voting from the leadership of the African Union Commission today to the next leadership through the proper electoral process can be done smoothly. Session, and I'm happy to report that there was unanimous acceptance and adoption of the recommendations of the PRC. This was critical because it affirmed the position that had been taken earlier by the Assembly of Heads of State, that in order to bring more equity and diversity within the African Union, the rotational principle becomes very, very important. And therefore the decision that was taken was that in accordance with the alphabetical order, the East African region will now have the opportunity to offer its candidate for the chair of the African Union Commission. And the Northern region shall have the opportunity to offer its candidates for the deputy chair.
Makiria